In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags in Asana. Tags are a simple but powerful way to label work, group-related tasks across different projects and make filtering and reporting much easier. By the end, you'll know exactly how to attach clear, consistent tags so your team can find what matters fast. Start by opening a task. From your project view, whether you're in list or board, click the task you want to label. This opens the task details pane, usually on the right side of your screen. You'll know you're in the right place if you can see the task title, assignee, due date, and description. Take a quick look to confirm you're working on the correct task because your tag will live right here with the task's other details. Next, look to the top right of the task pane for the three dots icon, often labeled More Actions. Click it to open the menu. This is where Asana keeps a lot of task level options. If your screen is small or you're zoomed in, you might need to scroll within the menu to see everything. From that menu, choose Add Tags. This opens a small field where you can enter your tag. Begin typing the name you want. If your organization already uses a tag with that name, you'll typically see it appear as a suggestion. Select it to keep your tags consistent. If it doesn't exist yet, just finish typing the name and press enter to save. That one press both creates the tag and applies it to the task in your current workspace or team, so be intentional with your naming. Short, clear, and consistent tags are best. After saving, you'll see the tag appear on the task, usually near the top with other task attributes. You can click the tag to view all tasks that share it, which is incredibly helpful when you're tracking a theme, a phase of work, or a cross-project initiative. You can add more than one tag to the same task if you need additional context, but try not to overdo it. Too many tags can make things harder to scan. If you don't see the Add Tags option, double-check that you have permission to edit the task and that you're in the correct workspace. Also, make sure you're looking in the three dots menu on the task details pane, not in the project header. If a tag you expect doesn't appear while typing, verify the spelling or try a broader term. That's it. Open the task, click the three dots, select Add Tags, then type and press Enter. With a few thoughtful tags, your Asana workspace becomes much easier to navigate and